Hello, everybody. It's Larry at 2 at 2. So let's get going. The question that I'm posing today is how important is it for us to test the older members of our family? So if you have just enough money to test one, should you test yourself or test them? I'm going to give you the answer with factual numbers so you can see for yourself. All right, so here's my DNA match list, and I've got 39,809 matches. So now here is my mother's DNA match list, and we're going to look at the number of matches that she has, and that is, whoops, it didn't refresh yet. There we go, 64,980 matches. 39% more matches than what I have. That's huge. And when we look over at my father-in-law's matches, his matches are going to be even larger than my mother's as far as the total number of matches he has. Whoops, wrong one. 82,510. In fact, his distant matches of 6 to 20, which is really now 8 to 20, is double what my total match list is. So by having the people who are older in your family do a DNA test, it's going to get you closer to that person because everybody has taken a test in the last decade. Everybody has been alive right here, and because they're a generation older, they're closer. Okay, so it's important to get the older members of your family tested. Now, if like me, your father's not around, buy that gift DNA kit for an aunt, an uncle who may still be around for this holiday season. It's kind of like getting somebody a bowling ball with your own name on it. You give it to them, they're like, what am I going to do for this? It's got your name on it. Oh, thank you. You know, it's kind of the same way. You buy them that DNA kit, and like, guess what? They get it, they find out the ethnicity and think it's all cool, but you get that valuable data. They share their DNA matches with you, and now not only do you break down walls, you just plow right through those in a way you never could before because you have so many more good matches that you didn't have before. Hope you enjoyed the tip.